A massive new study has shown that higher levels of the mushroom compound ergothioneine are linked to better brain function and a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. The study tested 991 different compounds in the blood of over 1,000 people and tracked which ones lined up with better brain function. And then they checked it again in 2 more groups, and one molecule beat every other compound on the list. Ergothioneine, a mushroom-derived compound that is starting to be recognised as a potent longevity vitamin. People with more of it in their blood scored significantly better on memory and thinking tests, and the same pattern that predicted worse memory in middle age also showed up years before people were actually diagnosed with Alzheimer's. What's particularly interesting is that your body can't even make this molecule. It has to import it through a dedicated transporter, basically a door in your cells built specifically for ergothioneine, and it doesn't just float around once it's in. It gets stockpiled in your highest stress tissues, so your brain, your bone marrow, your liver, and your eyes. So who's low in ergothioneine? Genetics barely matter here. Diet, gut bacteria, and medication explained almost everything. And the biggest medication effect they found was common antacids, PPIs, the kind people take daily for heartburn. They lowered ergothioneine enough to explain about 1/3 of their link to worse cognition. And most people were probably running low on ergothioneine to begin with. Fungi are by far the best source, and decades of industrial tillage farming have destroyed the fungal networks in the soil and cut natural ergothioneine levels in crops and livestock by up to 30%. We've quite literally farmed it out of the food supply. So what can you do to protect your brain as you age? You can eat more mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms, shiitake, maitake, porcini and lion's mane all have high levels of ergothioneine, and if you want a reliable dose, supplements are available, like the one we launched on Mushies a few weeks ago for our UK customers. You can click the link in my bio for the full breakdown of the study, and if you're in the UK, head to mushies.co.uk for the supplement that I developed for exactly this reason.